Hello. Another marbled paper journal. I just am in love with marbled paper. And this one is all about tabs and paper bags. And it was just fun. I guess I really enjoy exploring things. And so I really was just playing around with tabs this time. There's a Tim Holtz die cut, so I used that. But actually the whole idea started with what can I do with bags, and just also using the walnut dyed paper that I have, and just making something that would be kind of have a vocabulary of a certain kind of paper and colors and that kind of thing. So I'm just going to do this really quick. We are actually headed to a pumpkin patch this morning outside. So there's a lot of paper bags, a lot of coffee, tea, and walnut dyed papers, different bags and different little tags that I also walnut dyed. So there's the little pockets in the middle with dictionary paper. And this isn't really, the idea of this is that you could turn it into whatever theme you wanted and not necessarily have a pre-described theme, but lots of envelopes. You can see my hands still have the walnut stain in there. Well, actually this weekend I did some eco dyeing with walnut and indigo, so that was fun. So that colored my hands blue, but I've washed them enough times so that they're not really blue. But anyway, so just a fun journal with lots of vintage pockets and vintage feel to them, and sewn tabs, cardstock, brown paper, some library cards, lots of index cards that were walnut dyed. I love how the edges come out. Little pockets in here with things tucked in there. Paper bags. Not everything has something in it because it was getting kind of fat and I didn't know. Obviously you can take everything out and then there would be space for your own things. Pocket, and then these little tabs that are vintage office tabs. And so these the tabs that were with the die cut, I used all kinds of paper, and then I did sew in some little things you can slide in. There's space to slide in your own things if you want, but the idea is that it would also look finished. I love this. I've been using this parchment paper, and it just comes out really nice. It's a nice cardstock, and this brown paper, which I love. Just love the color. But lots of little. I did. There's a little surprise. A couple of things in here. Which I'll mention at the end. Typing, old book, pocket, and then we'll open another little tag. Again, I really love how books look when they're done. They're kind of like little art pieces just when they're finished. And And then there's a tiny little surprise. Just right now, I'm actually I am working on some different things, some sort of more fiber traveler's notebooks with upholstery material and things like that. But also, so in here, but kind of wanting to share a little more love and joy right now. So there's a couple of folded up hearts in there. So just for the person who ends up with this journal to find. So thanks so much.